everybody. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I have an unboxing to share with you all. Amazon sent me a package, so I am going to unbox it and tell you guys about this item. Now, this is an item locator and a personal alarm. It is a 2-in-1. Yes, in case you lose things like me, I always lose my keys. So this is a convenient item to have. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to gift one. In the box, you will get a user manual, Q&A cards. Then you will get a thank you card. This is what the item looks like. You have your charger, and then you have your gold light key ring. Your gold light key ring. So you can attach the key rings to your purse, or you can attach it to your keys, which I am going to attach it to my keys. Now this item does come in many colors, such as white, which I have white. It comes in aqua, comes in pink, and black. I'm going to show you all how it is used and how to charge it. You can use this to plug it into your computer, or you can get a charger box to plug it into the wall to charge your item. Now this is a 2-in-1. It is an item locator in case you lose your keys. You can look it up on your phone, find my, which it is within an iPhone, to find your purse, if it's attached to your purse, or your keys. Then it is a personal alarm. Say if you're by yourself and you're thinking someone is following you, like an intruder, you can personally set this item off. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it on. There's a little button here. These are flashing lights. And this is the speaker here, which the sound comes from. So let me go ahead and turn it on. That's the sound to let you know that it is turned on. Now, I'm going to pull it. And plug it back in. That's how loud it is. It can be heard up to 1,000 feet away. And if you're in a dark place, it has its lights here. And the sound will scare off any intruder. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. That's letting you know that it is turned off. Now I'm going to show you where to charge it. This is your USB charger port. And this is where your charger card goes to. What this looks like. Put that back in. This is very lightweight, very convenient, easy to carry into your pocket, on your keys, in your purse, what have you. I am loving it. Like I mentioned, it comes in many colors, and if you would like to have one, check out Amazon. I will have the link listed down below. And I want to thank the company for sending me this to review, and I am loving it already. So thank you guys so much for watching. and come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.